Hey guys, it's Flip Slimes. and we have a special guest today, which is
Skyla.
and Emily's over there recording. Today we're Amelia put little things in our slimes, and we don't know what they are, and we're gonna have to take them out and start poking out and see if we can find it. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I say don't get it mixed up.
It's on you. Okay, so. Okay.
We just like go ahead and do it.
I was like, take it out, bro.
They just stabbed me. Legit. Something just stabbed me.
Okay, guys, you don't have to say it.
Legit, something just
Oh.
stabbed me.
Okay.
I think I found mine.
I don't think
I think I found mine.
Who knows?
It's
Who knows?
the only thing in here.
I don't feel mine.
You didn't put anything. You didn't put anything in there.
I think I found it. Ah!
There's stuff in it. Oh, crap.
Oh.
Wow.
It was in the way. I found it. Mine's like a little. I don't know what is this?
Door.
No, it's not.
Mailbox. It's from Monopoly. It's from Monopoly.
Whatever.
It's like a little.
Mine's a little shopkin. It's like a shoe thing. That's
It's a shoe
ugly.
shopkin. I got this thingy.
Okay. And I got this.
Thingy.
Whatever this
It's
is.
so tiny.
And yeah, I guess we're just gonna like play with this right now. So let's go.
Mine is a butter slime.
Mine is a flume slime.
Mine's a poop butter slime sprinkle. As you can see, it's sprayed. I feel like it spreads.
Stop! You're pushing this down. we're just like it's gonna fall.
Mix it with yours. Ooh. Here. Mix it.
Ooh.
Mix it.
No.
Like a little bit.
No.
Stop.
It's just a little bit.
No. No.
Now play with yours real quick. Now play with yours. Okay. Ew, it has foam beads in it.
That's nice.
And it doesn't like me.
Look at this one. It looks like
Poop poop.
stretchy poop.
Mine's
Creamy
like,
poop.
hers is like really
It's so
sticky.
creamy.
Hers is sticky.
That's why if it isn't a little sticky, then it can't have foam beads in it.
It actually can't.
Because all of it would fall out. Okay, this is like.
Can I have my slime back?
No, it's my slime. No.
No, I want my slime back.
Hold on, let me make this.
I need this like really bad. Ah, Amelia!
I'm behind the camera, so.
I hate you.
Now, do you want me to go?
No, I'm busy. Where's your slime at, Amelia?
Behind me.
Oh, look at that.
What? Did you get that on camera?
Yeah, it's okay. We'll delete it.
How do you delete it?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Well, she's the editor, and you're the film cast thingy. Ooh, that should be a thing. We should make our own YouTube channel, like on one of our phones. Like,
Bro, we're on.
and
We're on actual YouTube.
I know, but and then we should like call it some random thing, and it should be like Amelia is like the camera holder, and we're like always on stage, and she edits everything
What?
at the end. But you can be a special guest, and like we never show your face until like a very end, and you can talk, and they don't know your name. Well, you can talk and they know your name, but you can't be like.
No.
show your face.
Yeah, you can't show your face.
That sounds like
It's
kicking.
it's disappointing when you show your face.
Yes. Disappointing.
Rude much?
Yep.
Yep.
Every day. Every second. Every day. Every day. Hi. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
I didn't leave that out. Leave that out. Can I have my object back? I should put the object in here. I don't know. Can I have my object? This looks like there's a hole in it, but it's just a sparkle.
These are their objects.
That's mine.
That's Skyla's.
Oh, this is so clicky, right?
Totally.
Really?
Don't!
Help me.
And that's Bella's. Okay, you ready to catch it?
No.
No. Catching the slime ready.
Ow, look what's that.
I'm zooming.
Oh, that's scary. You want me to see my nostril?
Oh, big zoom in.
Slow mo.
Look at that slime.
Slow mo though.
Ooh, girl.
Oh, come on, girl.
Skyla, let me
Did
see
you
some.
just do my gender?
No. Skyla, do some ASMR.
What's that?
Poke.
Oh, okay, ready?
It's my slime.
Totally.
Ready? Okay, ready?
Ow! I hit the corner up.
Do you like your chairs? I can't use my hands. Legit. Can't use my
Oh my god.
hands.
This oh my crap.
Okay, that's gone.
Skyla, you're gonna pick that up.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Is this hanging? Yeah, it's everywhere.
You're picking that up. Look what this child did to my floor.
Don't get on there. Oh, shoot. Okay, you can have this back.
See that?
Have it back. Ow. My elbow.
Focus, camera.
Yeah, there's a shoe in there.
Give it.
Stop. Oh, no, there's blue slime on this side. Bella.
Close up pick. I just got it in my hair.
Bella, ASMR, girl.
Okay, I get this. Hold the plate.
Blue, there's blue slime in
Yeah.
there now.
What's this on me? Yes! I just ruined it. I'm sorry. You start.
Stab myself in the freaking.
This is so satisfying.
Next, Skyla.
Yes. Listen closely. Hear it? Hi.
Look at that gorgeous face.
Look, I want to watch the.
We need that.
Look at that.
Watch this. Watch this.
Oh,
Can you
look
hand
at
us
that prettiest face. Just kidding.
I feel the shoe. Dude, I can feel this thing. Oh. What you do? With the horrible direct camera woman.
Shut up.
She pointed the camera at the ground a couple times.
No, I haven't. Because of that, because of you.
Yeah, but when you pick this up, your camera is facing the ground.
You all ready to
Eat slime challenge, right?
eat slime challenge. Yeah.
Don't actually do it. You can die.
That's nice. I've eaten slime before.
Ow! She ate it! Don't put that back in my slime. I swear to God. No more touching slime until that's all she is.
Go.
Yeah,
Go.
go. Bye.
No, she's gone. Hey, it's Flip Slimes.
Flip slimes! Ew, I stepped in slime.
Okay, what's gonna
Okay.
what's gonna be our like
There's some more
challenge?
though.
You did it. Okay,
Oh yeah. Oh, found a shoe. Oh no, I don't really want to do anymore.
Is this slime?
Mhm.
Is that slime? Yes. No, it's not. It's from the food I just ate earlier. Look!
That's nice.
No. She didn't care about me anymore.
It's looking
No,
at
paparazzi. Paparazzi.
Paparazzi.
paparazzi.
Okay. Put it back on here.
No, paparazzi.
Put it back
please.
on there. No one cares about that. Okay. So this is. Just put it up. This is the end of our video today. That's so sad.
This looks like a poop.
But
Can you see a poop?
I need you guys to do something for me. It would like mean the world to me. Ready?
Like and subscribe.
I need you to smash that like button.
I mean, like smash it.
Like, yeah, and like
With your
no, and then subscribe. Also smash that button, and then it stuck to my hands.
Challenge.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Wait,
I'm not doing
what's
it.
gonna be our next video? Well, yours.
Yeah, what should be our next video?
Comment
Comment down below.
what our next video should be.
This is a horrible.
All three of us together.
Yeah. Like we should
Maybe.
make it like after this.
Yeah.
Wait, you haven't done your slime yet. Though.
Mm-hmm.
So it can be part 2.
So that could be like this is part 1, guys.
Stay,
Amelia is gonna do her sign next, and we're gonna put something in hers, and she won't know what it is.
stay tuned for part 2.
Pace.
How do you stay tuned? I don't know.
Pace.
Okay.
Oh,
bye.
make sure you hit the bell.
Yes.
Oh yes,
Hit
post
that notification
notifications so you get notified every time we make a new video, and you can like every single video of ours. You
And
know.
we get richly famous.
Yep, and get 1 million
This looks like
subscribers.
poop.
That's the point.
Duh.
Look at this. It's like
It
inside
will
of it.
break.
It's like glue.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Pete, look at that.
Peace. Peace.